Yo, what's up? It's your boy Currency 365. Hope you guys are doing well. Legends never die, they stay in our hearts. If you want to support us, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also you can come down here and hit the join button under the video or in our channel section. And you can also join our Patreon, patreon.com/currency365. And we also have Cash App and also PayPal for supports if you want to sow some seeds. Peace out. God bless. Enjoy the video and keep the movement going. Legends. Bye. All right, all right. Welcome back to Currency 365. Hope you guys are doing well. All right, so Jasmycoin has been ripping to the upside, as you guys see on the yearly charts here. We are at 2 cents, 422, and we know that the recent highs were 5 cents in 2021. I believe it was 2021 when we hit 5 cents there on Jasmy. Um, so yeah, so Jasmycoin is almost there. We're basically a double away from being around that 5 cents area and getting back those recent highs, and then hopefully heading towards the 10 cents to $1 area, right? So I think everybody has their eyes on $1 for Jasmy, and and most of us, I'm pretty sure a majority of the people are not going to sell Jasmy until it hits not everybody, but of course people are selling every day, but people are buying every day, people are selling every day. But Jasmy, the 10 cents is probably where a lot of people are going to probably take their first profits around that 5 to 10 cents area. But for me, I just want to buy the pullback. So I'm waiting for pullbacks, and then I'll grab some Jasmy in those pullbacks, and I'll just hold hot until we hit $1 to $17 range, right? And so we're in March, and we're looking for those lockups announcements to begin, and looking for these partnerships to make their announcements on the lockups, right? So and see how many tokens we can actually get out of circulation here. So you see that the market cap is up 10%. We're at 1.1 billion. And like I said, we got a lot of room to work here. We can definitely get up to the 10 cents mark and still have a really low market cap, even at 10 cents here. So I mean, even at $1, you're only looking at a $49 billion market cap. I mean, it's not that. I mean, it's not that massive, right? So yeah, Jasmy, and if we get some lockups, we get several lockups here, and we get maybe 10, 15, 20 billion in lockups, then of course it makes it really easy to get to $1, because then $1 would only be like a 25, $30 billion market cap, and we can lock up half the tokens. So, anyways, volume is up 90% today, almost 745 million in volume today. That's pretty good. And you can see on the year chart, we're up 367% on the year. All right, so it still says that we have 49,299,99677 tokens in circulation, which is literally 98.60% of the tokens in circulation. We got to get those lockup informations and those announcements from the partners this month to keep the momentum going, and get some of these lockups. 2 billion lockup over here, 5 billion lockup over here, 3 billion lockup over here, 7 billion lockup over there. We can get those announcements in the month of March and April. We're going to be in good shape. Jasmy's really going to take off here, and we're going to hit those numbers that we're looking for. And if you guys are new, the CFO of Jasmy, Herrera, I think that's how you say it. Either one of the two. And he has a target of $17 for Jasmy by 2026. And that's all going to be a combination of lockups and staking, I guess. Okay, so let's go here to the day chart, and let's see what's going on for Jasmy in the day chart. We're up 9% today, so we're battling that 2.5 area. So that resistance at 2.5 there looks like, well, actually we broke through it here to 2.7, and then we came back, and then we started to hit that 2.5 area here. All right, so we're gonna need to break through that 2.5 area there. and get up and head towards that three. So you can see this person says here, Crypto Empress says Jasmine ripping 3 cents is coming real soon. Yeah, we're looking for 10 cents plus from this thing, of course. And as I said before, my top price for Jasmine for this year is $1. But for some reason, every time I was thinking about $1, I kept seeing 30 cents for some reason. So the last couple of days, I've been seeing Jasmine 30 cents. It's going to be the top price for this year. I'm hoping it's more than that, but 30 cents from here would be over a 10x from here, right? So it's still pretty good. But yeah. So anyways, that means that if Jasmine is at 30 cents this year, then it does have a chance to get to $3 to anywhere between $3 to $10 in 2025 at the peak of the bull cycle, right? Um, so we'll see how that plays out, right? But yeah, so let's just see. I'm hoping that we get some lockups and we get some big lockups here, and we get some Jasmine tokens staked and locked up, and we can get some we can get up to that $1 area there for Jasmine, but you just never know, right? So for some reason, when I was thinking about the $1 lately, I've been seeing 30 cents, so I don't know what that means. I'm guessing that's maybe where it's going to go to this year as a top price. I don't know. I'm still going to continue with my $1 assessment on Jasmine because $1 is only $50 billion market cap. Actually, it's a $49 billion market cap, and if you take off the lockups, then it could be a $30 billion market cap, which is nothing in this cycle, right? So um, especially when Shiba Inu was at a $50 billion market cap in 2021, and we have way more people in cryptos now. We have way more institutional money. We have way more money in cryptos now. So you're talking about a 30, $40 billion market cap. That shouldn't be and then you got it's Jasmine, the crypto of Japan. So they call it the Bitcoin of Japan. So it's like, there's no reason why it should not be able to get up to those prices, especially with the economic situation going on in China, Japan, and the Asian markets over there, and people running into cryptos. So, yeah. So let's see. Let's hope for $1, and we'll see. We'll see what we can get here on Jasmine. Look, if it only hits 30 cents, we'll still be really happy. That's over a 10x from where we are right now. So we will definitely still be happy with 30 cents there. But really looking for that $1, right? All right. So the other tokens we were looking at last time was Flare, and so let's check Flare and Theta. Even though this is not a Flare and Theta video, so you can see Flare's pulling back a little bit here. Um, yeah, Flare's pulling back here. It actually reached its recent highs here. So if we go to let's go to all. Yeah, so Flare actually topped out of it actually broke new highs there at 5 cents. Now it's pulling back from that new recent high there. I mean, look, it was in blue sky territory there in the 5 cents area. So it should have been able to hold that in my opinion, especially when the market's being this bullish. You want Flare to hold that 5 cents there, or this line here, and be able to stay above it because there's no resistance up here, right? So but anyway, it's just pulling back a little bit here. So um, if it can hold these areas here, then it'll be okay. If it can hold for that 4 cents and just consolidate here before it takes another leg up, then that'll be really good. And so the next leg up could take it up to like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I mean, it's in blue sky territory once it gets past here. Once it gets past 5.2, is back in the blue sky territory, and there's no resistance up here, and so you can see Flare just create new record highs at the new record highs at the new record highs. So this is the one to continue to watch for here. And so our dividends coming in on the 11th, and of course you get your staking rewards every Monday and Thursday. So yeah, so this one is the one to watch out for. If it can break, it's almost like a cup and handle, but this side went up a little bit too high, right? To for having to be a cup and handle. So, but either way, if the next breakout here on Flare can really take it into discover mode and with blue sky territories there. And so when you're in discover mode, you can literally just continue to go, go, go because there's no resistance at all. So I wouldn't be shocked if Flare, just ran up to like 80 cents because there's just nothing there to stop it, right? There's no resistance. So just keep that in mind here. We are already at a 1 billion on market at 1.4. So if it 10x from here, it'll be a 14 billion on market, which is not bad at all. It's still really low, right? A 14 billion on market is not bad. That's at 40 cents. So I mean, 40 cents is at a 14 billion on market. That's nothing, right? So we can definitely see, and then if you're looking at a 28, if you're looking at a 80 cents, then you're looking at 28 billion on market cap, which is still really low. It's under 30 billion. So yeah, so Flare can definitely get that, especially if Bitcoin is at 80,000 plus. And we have some of these other tokens that are really, tracking through that 100 billion. Flare can definitely get the $80, I mean 80 cents here, no problem, especially with blue sky territories and price discovery. So yeah, anyways, it is what it is. Hope you guys are doing well. A $1 flare will be $34 billion market cap, which is that's not bad at all, right? So it's definitely worth, the flare is definitely worth more than the 1.4 billion market cap. This is underrated for sure. um, and their ecosystem is top notch at, and the community's top notch, ecosystem's top notch, information's top notch, everything about Flare, which is partnered with XRP, is top notch. So there's no reason why it's only at a 1.4 billion market cap. It's a steal down here still. And so let's continue to, I'm just continuing to accumulate through staking and accumulate through the dividends, and I'm enjoying them, just smiling because I want this thing to pump all to $1, and I want to continue to accumulate for free all the way up to $1, and $1 to $5, and then hopefully next year we're sitting in that $1 to $5 range. And we all have a ton of tokens from accumulation through staking and dividends, and or buying on our own, and buying the pullbacks, and things are looking good. So I'm excited about Flare, and $1 to $5 is where we have it going at the peak of the bull cycle. And then a lot of one was Theta, so we'll look at Theta here. And to wrap up the video, so Theta, it did pull back a little bit today, 1.64 there. It did pop a little bit there to the upside, and so that 250 needs to break. We're having problems at that 250 area. So we're going to try again here in a little bit. Nice little V-shaped recovery here on Theta. So the volume's down and market cap's down as well. So, but yeah, we're only down a little bit. We're at $2.35 down for Theta. And we're in a blink of an eye, we're going to wake up and Theta's at, $4 or $5. And then a blink of an eye is going to be at $7, $8, $9. So, and then heading towards $80, right? So $80 is the peak here. We believe we're going to be able to see $80 at some point, either this year or next year. We're going to see $80 here on Theta, maybe even $100, $80 to $100 on Theta as we peak out, and then on the cycle, and then it is what it is. So we can get $80 to $100 on Theta. That's going to be a game changer here. So just be patient on Theta. Be patient, be patient, be patient. Especially when you're staking like I am. You just continue to stack your rewards, or take your rewards and your Tfuel rewards and use them for other things. And as Theta goes up, as Tfuel goes up, your staking rewards are more valuable on the dollar side, right? So and so it's good, right? So as Tfuel goes up, you're able to get more in dollar value, and you're able to be able to swap it for other projects if you want to, or you could just tack up more Tfuel. They were talking about, the Theta community was talking about how you're going to need at least 500,000 Tfuel for the new Theta Edge Cloud thing that's coming out in May. I think it's coming out in May, June, somewhere around there. So you're gonna need like 500,000 Tfuel to participate in that, or something like that. So people were starting to rush in to get Tfuel and try to get their 500,000 Tfuel. So let's actually go to Tfuel real quick and see how that looks. And that's down a little bit today as well. So Theta and Tfuel both to the downside today as they're consolidating here. Yeah. All right. So let's check out the last a month though. Wow, yeah. So it's up 100%. So that information came out a couple weeks ago that you're gonna need to do something with the Theta Edge Cloud or whatever. You're gonna need like 500,000 Tfuel to really get some benefits off of that and do things with that. And people started loading up on Tfuel here. So all right, so we got Tfuel going really high. If Theta can get the $80 Tfuel $5 maybe. You know what I mean? I don't know. You know, Tfuel $5 would be perfect. 80, $100 Tfuel, $100 Theta, 80 to $100 Theta, $5 Tfuel. I think that would be a good idea, right? I think that'd be awesome because I think Theta got the 15, $16, and Tfuel was at 68 cents or something like that. So let's look at the all-time high. Yeah, about 68 cents, 61 here, but I think I saw it at 68, 69 cents. So yeah, so okay. So yeah, so I think $100 Theta, $5 T fuel. And I think if you took those prices, I think you'll be very happy if you hold both of these right now. So, anyways, that's it. Peace out. God bless. Hope you guys are doing well. Jasmy looking good. Theta and T fuel consolidating, but they've been looking good the last month as well. And also Flare has been looking awesome as well. It's pulling back now, so it's going to give you another chance to get in before it breaks to the upside. And when it breaks to the upside this next time, it's going to be in blue skies and it's going to have price discovery. And when things have price discovery, they can run up 1,000% very quickly. So watch out for flare here as it when it breaks out again. It's going to go into price discovery. And so that's going to be insane, right? So let's see how that plays out. So make sure if you don't have your flare, you better go, research it and do what you got to do, and then make your own decisions for yourself. I'm not a financial advisor or wealth manager or anything like that. I'm just a YouTuber here, chilling and making some fun videos for everybody. All right. Anyways, peace out. God bless. I'll see you guys in the next video. Go Bulls, go cryptos. We're having fun now. Well, we were having fun regardless, but we're having fun now that the markets are going to the upside. Shiba's doing well. Other things are doing well. I can't wait for Sheena to go completely crazy here and prove everybody wrong. And yeah, and so many other tokens are doing well. So peace out, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.